Hi guys, quick update lang tayo dito kay Pi. As of now, yung price action niya ay nagkaroon ng pagtaas ng presyo. So 24 hours, bumagsak siya 88 and then nagkaroon siya ng pag-akyat sa 111 in PHP. Right now, nasa 99.79 in PHP yung price action niya. Share din natin itong ongoing campaign na you can get dito ng Kaito token naman. So gamit itong application na ginagamit natin dito, as well as itong pinaka technical analysis for Pi. Binigyan natin to ng ideas sa ating Telegram group, as well as yung kay Solana and yung kay BTC Gap na nangyari bago pa umangat yung presyo nitong mga to. So andito yan na bigyan natin ng discussions, ideas, and other feedbacks from the community. You can also ask questions on the spot dito sa ating Telegram group. So pag-uusapan natin yan dito sa video natin today. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first, subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel, guys. So for now, Pi USDT price action is up by, I think, maliit lang naman yung inakyat niya dito kasi nagkaroon ng retest sa 111. And let's check yung price action niya dito. So I shared this idea sa 1 hour time frame. Meron tayong nakita na early oversold. Ayan, if ever man na magkaroon ng price action na potentially mahit niya yung below 30 area or territory, there's a probability that the price may go to the upside. It was happened after hitting that zone, price goes up. Again guys, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. So to get some updates dito, as well as sa mga nagtatanong, hope I acknowledge your questions and I'm just sharing my experience lang dito. Yun, isa sa mga nakita natin dito na good confirmation naman is yung breakout. Careful pa rin dito guys kasi na-reject yung 1.95 territory, which is acting now as magnet zone, itong area na ito. Ayan, so after hitting that area, price rejected and nagkaroon ng pagbagsak ng presyo. We mentioned this zone is a demand zone. Itong area na to, 1.6 to, I think, within this area. I have some SL as well dito for my spot trade in case na mas bumagsak pa siya ng 95 cents. Nakapag-cut na ako dito guys. Pero for now, kahit papaano, nire-respect niya yung pinaka-demand zone. So, yan yung mga area na kung saan nagkakaroon ng consolidation, nagkakaroon ng buyers. Andyan din yung dating area ng resistance na kung saan makunat para basagin. So, magiging support niya ito for this kind of price action. So, we can see some breakout na rin dito sa diagonal resistance trend line niya. We'll see if ever man na mag-continuation ito, pero we have some SL for our risk management. Yun, ito naman, share ko na rin itong pinaka-campaign, bagong campaign ito kay Kaito naman, wherein merong 500,000 na Kaito price pool. So, meron ditong mga kailangan lang gawin. I will just join now na lang dito. Yung official link na ito guys, lalay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo. And para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online dito. Meron na rin 10% discount once na nagamit nyo. Official link natin, itong application na ginagamit natin, available dito Pi, and I use this as well for future airdrops, yung kanyang wallet. So andito naman yung mga requirements. I already joined, and other details pa dito, you can read naman ng mga details. So this is Kaito campaign, and total 500k Kaito price pull up for grabs. So matatapos ito 7 days pa. So andito yung pinakadetalye, and you can explore this campaign guys, another free crypto if ever man na makapag-join kayo dito. And we'll see kung ano yung mga gagawin pa nitong si Pi. I'll keep you posted na lang. I highly suggest to ask questions guys, and you can also join sa ating Telegram group. Meron tayo dito mga discussions na ginagawa. Like, for example, this one, March 2, before pa umangat yung presyo ni BTC, we mentioned yung gap sa 78. Binisita yan guys, tapos umangat na naman ulit sa 95k something dahil merong update na ginawa itong si Trump for a potential ADA, XRP, Sol, reserve crypto, no, yung mga minention niya. So, yun, hope you get some updates dito guys sa ating video today. And kung meron kayo mga questions, as mentioned, just feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.